Hey, it's Chris, and we're looking at a thin stone veneer. A thin stone veneer is approximately 1 inch or less. So we see that this stone has been run through a saw, and we have approximately 1 inch to 1.25 inch thick stone. Yeah, a couple pieces here and there, a little bit more. But there are standardized weights for today's home building, structural building code on what a veneer should weigh per square foot. And we have some excellent masons here. Stone mason work is an art that's quickly being lost because of prefabricated stone. But the colors and textures and radiance, the nuances that come from real stone are not replicated by cement stone. If you're gonna do a veneer, just spend the extra money and get real stone. And so we see, here's a talented mason using a shim, which is a smaller piece, to keep his larger piece in place. He's getting it figured out ahead of time. Then he makes his cuts, and then he'll apply his mortar. And the mortar is what, or the glue, is what's going to adhere to this wall. So this family has taken an ordinary stucco wall and transformed it and added value to their home. And that's the key. Many people do work on their home and actually take value off of it. Your home may appreciate, but it's not appreciating because the crap you did to the home. I mean, you want to add real value that will also appreciate. And real stone work or a veneer like this is certainly going to add a lot of value to a home. And we see some of the ways that they've made this look more interesting. They've got a fascia piece here, and then they've got side pieces running there. And the work is done randomly. That's why you need a good stone mason. And so hopefully you're pick up some information out of this. You see that they're already laying out and planning ahead for this ledge here. The ledge is going to need some flat pieces. They've been laying out their work ahead of time. All in all, very good work and using real stone